So in this class, there's two major tools that we'll use. One on the left is called PyCharm. It's free for you as students. Now, this is what I use as a professional when I'm coding actual software. So it's normally a very expensive piece of software, but for your time as a student here at BC, you get to use it for free, which is really nice. And it's the exact same version that I use. So the instructions for doing that, I'll give you in just a minute. This is for those of you that need quick access to a simple place to code Python. Python Sandbox. Actually, I'll just show you in a minute. Python Sandbox is a web-based, or it's an online Python editor. It can't do everything we do in this class, but it would get you through the first few assignments if you're trying to get PyCharm up and running on your computer. So that's another option. Okay, so those are the tools. Installing PyCharm. This is, by the way, this instruction set is in Canvas, but I'm just going to review it for you. First thing you need to do is go to jetbrains.com. There's a link in Canvas. Go to jetbrains.com and create a student account. Do that first. You use your BC email, and that validates that you're a legitimate student. That's how you get the free access. The next thing you want to do is you want to go to python.org. This is the site that produces the actual Python programming language. You're going to download the newest version of this for your computer. You're going to install it on your computer. That updates to make sure that you're using the most current version of Python. Obviously, if you're just using the school computers, none of this you need to do. But if you're going to use it at home or on your laptop, you do need to do this. So then you're going to download PyCharms from jetbrains.com. You're going to install it. That process will vary depending on whether you're on a Macintosh, an Apple computer, or a Windows computer. By the way, if you have a Chromebook, this will not work. PyCharm will not run on a Chromebook. And then finally, when you run PyCharm for the first time, it will ask you if you want to activate it or if you want to do a 30-day trial. Really important that you activate the software using the JetBrains account that you created in step 1. And that will allow you to use PyCharm for a year for free, the full version without limitation. If you choose the 30-day trial, it will work. And then about halfway through the class, things will start not working the way you want them to because that version, that the trial version, has limitations to it. So it's better to activate it at the beginning of class.